Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. One of the largest vaccination campaigns in the world is set to be launched in the country today to administer the measles rubella vaccine to more than 90 million children. Full stop. The combined injection will introduce the rubella vaccine for the first time to the expanded program of immunization. Full stop. During the 12-day nationwide campaign, children between 9 months and 15 years will be injected with the measles rubella vaccine. Full stop. New paragraph. Children younger than 5 years would also be given polio drops irrespective of their immunization status. Full stop. The ambitious vaccination drive is aimed at curtailing an aggressive measles outbreak in the country that has somehow managed to evade the news cycle, even though it aims to reach all invisible or zero dose children, those who have not received any dose of routine immunization. Full stop. Measles is a highly infectious disease that remains one of the leading causes of death in young children living in poor countries. Full stop. New paragraph. Survivors are often left with lifelong complications. Full stop. So far this year, more than 17,000 cases of measles have been reported from 70 districts of the country, which is more than double the figure reported in 2020. Full stop. The most affected province appears to be Balochistan, where half of the districts are said to be in the grip of a measles outbreak. Full stop. According to official figures, over 50 children have died from measles complications across the country. Full stop. Alarmingly, since last year, the authorities have also been witnessing a sharp increase in cases of congenital rubella syndrome. Full stop. New paragraph. Rubella, commonly referred to as German measles, is highly infectious as well. Full stop. Though it is usually a mild infection in children, it can cause life threatening abnormalities in babies whose mothers have been infected during pregnancy. Full stop. One hopes that the authorities do their utmost to make a success of this campaign and ensure that they reach all the intended targets. Full stop. The inclusion of invisible children under the umbrella of routine immunization will go a long way in protecting millions of youngsters from potentially dangerous but preventable illnesses. Full stop.